Hello, and welcome to Three Blind Mice Window Coverings. Today I'd like to introduce you to a new motorization company called Nice. Now this is a very unique and up-and-coming motor brand that has a very unbelievably unique system with their motorization. So what we've got here is we've got a motorized roller shade that has some very advanced technique systems that are built into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you, this is a quiet motor operation. It's extremely quiet and can go very large size. But what has some very nice designs to this is that this has a limit setter in there that has a safety switch. So if I come in and something gets caught on the shade will actually stop. That thus prevents it from going up and damaging the fabric. It also stops it on a motorized shade. Sometimes if something gets caught, the motor will continue to run and can damage the motor. They built in a threshold limit that stops that. So this now will not go up again if I press up until I reset the motor. And to reset it, all I simply do is press the down button, and then it'll automatically reset that. Now the great thing is that this function works in both directions. So if I bring this shade all the way back up and it goes up clear, if say for instance that we had a chair or someone left something in the windowsill, it also works in the down position. If I bring the shade down and it bumps into something, again, it sets. Now you'll see it actually lifts back up to give you clearance to remove the item. Again, this stops it from the motor coming down at an angle and again damaging the fabric or whatever object is in the way. So to simply reset this, all I do is I'm going to go ahead and raise the motor back up, and it will reset its own limits. So now it'll go back up and it will instantly go down to what your program limits are. So again, this is the new Nice motor, the Era In system. It's a very unique design. I like the way it is. I think it's going to be one of the new up-and-coming motor systems out there. Some of the other great things that they have available, they have a handheld wall switch, which allows you to select your individual channels. You can group multiple channels together with that. You also have the ability to have pre-programmed favorite settings, and a real unique feature that they have is they have a slide button that you can control the speed on. So you can actually adjust your speed of the shade when you operate it. So as you push this up, it will go up and down to the speed that you prefer. Another nice feature that they have is that they have a soft glide system, so that as you can see, the motor itself will have variable speed. So it comes down in a quicker speed, and as you see, as it gets down to the bottom, it's going to go ahead and slow down to give you a nice soft rest to that. That is a nice feature to have. Not only does it look nice, it has a good presentation, and it comes down and sets right where you program it. These have a servo motor in them, so they're very energy efficient. On a low voltage, these don't actually use hardly any electricity in the down system. The servo motor is actually what activates this. And so on the down, it's using almost no electricity, which helps in your energy efficiency. And the motor only really kicks in on the up. Gravity feeds this, and that's also a nice system to it. So with the Nice motors, they have both low voltage and line voltage. They have radio frequency, Wi-Fi ability, and digital network ability. If you'd like to know any more information about these types of products, please feel free to contact us at www.threeblindmiceusa.com.